Hey everyone, the new Sky Replacer AI tool is now available. It is created by Stability AI. You can go visit it just by typing in clipdrop.co. This tool has been out a few weeks, but Stability AI just made it official in their release yesterday. It's great for, believe it or not, replacing skies in your photographs. So here in this example, you got a cloudy day, crystal blue skies. See how easy that was? And you have lots of options. You can go clear skies all the way to red skies, whatever your heart so desires. In this case, I am going to just show you a quick example of what we want to do. Here's a little house on the hill. So we have lots of options again. We've got the darker reddish sky. I don't think I'm going to use that one. I think I'm going to go, let's just make it a clear blue sky, and it will remove all the clouds, hopefully keep the birds. Let's think about the animals. And the birds are still there, but the clouds are gone, and we got clear blue skies. Look at that. Just in a snap, we went from a cloudy day to an absolutely gorgeous day. You can download it, you can edit, you can do whatever you'd like. Let's try our own photo. So I'm just going to click here and upload a picture of the backyard. We got some clouds there. Do we want the clouds? Yeah, we'll keep the clouds. What do I want to do here? Clear. We already saw the clear day. Let's we could do the really dark one. Let's go with the reddish, cloudish, and I'm going to fast forward through that and look, wow, look at that. Look how that came out. That looks really cool actually. So you can see the old version and back to the new version. I prefer the new version. I like the reddish pinkish hue plus the added clouds. I think it looks a little cooler than the original. But very easy to use as you saw. And again, Sky Replacer is part of a new broader announcement from Stability AI. They just put out a release yesterday with some new image enhancements. We just talked about the Sky Replacer tool. They've also creating a new Stable 3D tool. Think of Stable Diffusion, which is 2D, but think of it now for 3D. That is what's coming down the pipeline. I think you can request access for Stable 3D just by signing up. Also down here at the bottom, they got a line about having an invisible watermark for images generated with the Stability AI API. So that's the latest from Stability AI. Please remember to click the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.